Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to hydrate and moisturize my face and also prime my face as well. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the product I'm using, all the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Next, I'm using a concealer, a darker concealer to contour my nose. Snatch the nose. I'm blending the concealer so that there won't be any sharp line. Using a beauty blender. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set the highlight and bake as well. Highlight the nose. Next, I'm using a bronzer to bronze my cheek and contour my cheek as well. Contour my cheek and my forehead. Bronze and contour at the same time. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Cleaning up the nose contour to define it. Wow. I'm leaving the under eye powder for my eyeshadow fallout so that when I'm doing my eyes, all the fallout from the eyeshadow will be on the powder and not on my face. That is why I'm leaving the under eye powder. Next is brows. I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows, to define the brows more. Clean and define. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a dark black, kind of a ash black shade to line my eyes first and cut the crease, to line my eyes and cut the crease. first black for that. It's kind of black, like ash dark black. It's not like black kind of shade, but it looks black camera. Next, I'm using a brown to blend the edges so that there won't be any sharp line. I'm using a dark brown shade to blend it. Next, for my lid, I'm using this pink shade for my eyelid, all over my eyelid. Pinky pink shade. Next, I'm using a kajal for my lower lash line, for my waterline and my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the pink shade to blend the kajal, blend my lower lash line. Next, I'm using my brush, concealer brush, to define the wing, to clean up the wing, to define it more. Clean the wing and define it more. I'm adding that pink shade on my lower lash line. Adding a little bit of pink shade. Next, I'm blending my face with powder puff to blend everything and smoothen the face. Next is mascara for the eyes. Wearing my false lashes now. Wearing my lashes with my hand because I can't find my tweezers. Next is blush to blush up the cheek. Blush up the cheek. Next is little mascara for the lower lash. Add a little mascara. Next is highlighter to highlight the face. Highlight to highlight the face. Next is lips. First, I'm using this purple shade lipstick, matte lipstick, to line my lips. I'm using a lipstick as a lip liner to line my lips. Then I'm using a nude shade for my lips, then adding a little clear gloss. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for showing me love and supporting me. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Happy prosperous new year. Bye.